Before last week, adolescents seeking abortions in the U.S. already had to struggle through a thicket of legal hurdles and logistical challenges to access reproductive health care. The Supreme Court decision striking down Roe v. Wade made it that much harder. A number of states have already banned or severely restricted abortions in light of the ruling, laws that apply equally to adolescents and adults. Young people who go out of state to seek abortions elsewhere in the U.S. may run up against laws requiring parental involvement, which are common across the country. That's to say nothing of the unique logistical barriers young people face. Some adolescents aren't old enough to drive, and minors can't buy a plane ticket. Bus companies also have age-based restrictions. Some states allow medication abortion to be prescribed via telehealth, in lieu of showing up for an appointment in person, but it's frequently unavailable to minors, experts say. Finally, Terry's the cost. Young people who are still in school may not have enough money to pay for travel or the abortion itself. Even if they do, minors can't use some online payment services like PayPal or Venmo. Adolescents are going to be left with fewer options than adults, Julie Moswowski, an associate professor of public health at the University of Illinois Chicago, told NPR. It will be difficult, stressful, harmful. In 2019, women ages 19 and younger accounted for 8.9% of legal abortions in the U.S., according to data from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. The Guttmacher Institute, a research organization that supports abortion rights, estimated that 12% of abortion patients in 2014 were under 20 years old. Adolescents get pregnant, Elizabeth Alderman, chair of the American Academy of Pediatrics Committee on Adolescents, told NPR. This has been a long-standing way of how things are in the United States and in all the countries in the world. Since 1989, the American Academy of Pediatrics has recommended that pregnant adolescents are counseled on all of their options, including abortion. The group reaffirmed that policy after last week's ruling, saying it supported its young patients' rights to access comprehensive, evidence-based reproductive healthcare services, including abortion. The Society for Adolescent Health and Medicine and the North American Society for Pediatric and Adult. Now, health experts worry the new restrictions on abortion will further harm adolescents who are already at a disadvantage when it comes to reproductive care. Less than half of American adolescents receive comprehensive sexual education, according to Moswowski of the University of Illinois Chicago, and it can be difficult for young people to access contraception.